welcome to Code with Patrick. For you to set onClick listener to each of the item, it's just there are several ways you can do this, okay? But I'm just going to show you one way. Then in the future tutorials we can cover the rest. And for you to do that, what you want to do right now is to go into your fruit adapter. So we're just going to go up here and just come down below the holder name we have right here. Just come below it. And here we just set onClick listener to the item view, okay, to each of the item. And to do that, what we're gonna do is to call the holder first of all, and then from the holder we can get view. And here we want to set onClick listener. Now in here I'm just gonna make use of the Lambda for now, but if you don't know how to make use of Lambda and you don't know what Lambda is, I'm just going to put this description up there so that you can go and watch a tutorial on that and then come back to this. But nevertheless, I can make it very simple so that you can understand how it goes with the usual way of setting onClick listener. So if we want to make use of Lambda right here, all I'm just going to do is just going to reference the view there, and I have this, and there is just it's just ready. Okay, Lambda is just a shorthand form of writing, code. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna make use of the regular way we know how to write the onClick listener. So I'm just gonna come here and say new on view the onClick listener. And having that here, we are ready and good to go. So what happens is when the user click on each of the item, the onClick is called. What we want to do right here, which is very important, and you want to take note of that, is we want to call this same method, this same stuff we did right here, we want to bring it down here. The reason why we're doing this is because sometimes you might have the recycler view messed up, okay, after scrolling, or whenever you scroll, or whenever you do anything to the recycler view, delete the recycler view, or anything at all, what you want to do is to still get the exact position of your fruit. So you don't want to get something else when you click on the fruit. So what we're going to do right now, after getting this particular position of that fruit, we want to call in the toast view, okay? And I'm just going to pass the contents here. And here I'm just going to pass the name of the fruit. Absolutely. And that's definitely just gonna give us the name of the fruit. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial for the part 2, what we have right here is a string. Okay, this string is actually storing the name of the fruit. You can see it up here. We have the string here, and we're using that string variable to store to get the position of that fruit and then store the name of the fruit in here. And here we have a holder that actually having the name, and we set the name to the fruit, the name of the fruit we have here, referencing to that particular position of that adapter. And now we just set onClick listener, and we got the position of each of that item that we're clicking, the particular item that we're clicking, we get the position of that fruit. And here we're still making use of the string variable to store the name of that particular position of the item clicked. And here we're displaying a toast of that particular fruit, the name of the fruit. And without taking much time, let's run this program, let's run the app and see what we have now. Alright, so right here we have the app loaded on the screen. So what we want to do right now is to click on the item and see what we have on the toast view. So here I'm just going to click the first item. Alright, we can see down there we have apple, and now click the second item and we have orange displayed, and the third one is still apple. Okay, cool. Let me put in another item here. Let me just call this anything banana, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to add this item and click on it now. So once I click on the banana, this is what I'm going to have. Alright, so we have it displayed on there. We've successfully created an onClick listener on each of this item. Alright, we can see that our app actually ran successfully. And if you like this video or you found the video interesting, don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can get updates as I upload more. That is it for this part 3, and for coming part 4 you will still see something new and something very stunning about RecyclerView. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.